Here are 10 common shopping phrases. No. 1. Do you sell this? This is the most basic and most common question we can use when we're shopping. We simply use this when we want to know if the store sells a particular item. For example, do you sell this? Do you sell umbrellas? Do you sell this in blue? By the way, if you want the PDF version of this, it's available below. No. 2. Where can I find the bread? This is a question we can use when we're looking for a particular item in the store. In this case, we're looking for the bread. Of course, instead of bread, we can say milk, cheese, or any other item. Where can I find the milk? Where can I find some cheese? No. 3. Is this on sale? This is a question we can use when we want to know if the price of the item has been reduced. For example, is this jacket on sale? Is the dress on sale? No. 4. Do you have this in a smaller size? For example, do you have this in a smaller size? Do you have this in a smaller size? Do you have this in a bigger size? No. 5. I'm looking for a red t-shirt. This is an example of how we can use the present continuous tense when we're shopping. For example, I'm looking for a red t-shirt. I'm looking for a blue jeans. I'm looking for a black bag. Number 6, do you have this in stock? For example, do you have this in stock? Do you have this in stock? Another way to ask this question is, do you have this available? Number 7, is there a discount on this? For example, is there a discount on this bag? Is there a discount on this dress? No. 8, what colors do you have? This is a question we can use when we want to know what colors a particular item comes in. For example, what colors do you have? What colors do you have? What colors do you have this in? No. 9. Do you have this in size medium? For example, do you have this in size medium? Do you have this in size small? Do you have this in size large? And number 10, can I try this on? For example, can I try this dress on? Can I try these shoes on? Can I try this belt on? So these are 10 common shopping phrases. If you want more, let me know in the comments below and I'll make another video for you. Also, don't forget to download the PDF version of this with 10 more examples. It's available below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hello! Today we're going to talk about 10 shopping phrases. And after watching this video, you will be able to understand and use these phrases when you go shopping. So let's get started. No. 1. Do you sell this? This is one of the most common questions that we can ask when we enter a store or a shop. And here are some other ways to ask this question. Do you have this item? Do you carry this? Do you sell this product? Or do you have it? Do you sell this? Is it available? Or do you have it in stock? All of these questions mean the same thing. We want to know if the store has the item that we're looking for. The next phrase is, where can I find the bread? If you want to know where an item is located in a store, you can say, where can I find the bread? For example, where can I find the bread? Where can I find the kids' shoes? Where can I find the dress? Where can I find the jeans? You can also use the present continuous tense and say, where are the slippers? Where are the summer dresses? Where is the bag? Or where is the belt? No. 3. Is this on sale? When you see a price tag on an item and it says sale on it, the item is discounted. However, if we want to check if something is discounted at the moment, we can say, is this on sale? Is this coat on sale? Are these shoes on sale? Is this dress on sale? Is the TV on sale? Is the iPhone on sale? Or is the camera on sale? Number 4, do you have this in a smaller size? Here is another sentence that we can use when we're shopping. If we think the item that we found is too big, we can ask the salesperson, do you have this in a smaller size? For example, do you have this jacket in a smaller size? Do you have this dress in a smaller size? Do you have this shoe in a smaller size? Or do you have the belt in a smaller size? Number 5, I'm looking for a red t-shirt. The next sentence is used when we tell the salesperson what we're looking for. I'm looking for a red t-shirt. I'm looking for a black bag. I'm looking for a white dress. I'm looking for blue jeans. Or I'm looking for a green hat. And don't forget that when you're shopping, you can also use the present continuous tense to describe what you're looking for. I'm looking for a white t-shirt. I'm looking for a leather jacket. I'm looking for a beautiful dress, or I'm looking for comfortable shoes. No. 6. Do you have this in stock? In addition to asking if they have a particular item, we can also ask them if they have it in stock. Do you have this in stock? Do you have these in stock? Or do you have these in stock? All of these questions mean the same thing. We just want to know if the store has enough of that item. No. 7. Is there a discount on this? Another question that we can use when we're shopping is to ask if there is a discount on the item that we want to buy. Is there a discount on this shirt? Is there a discount on this phone? Is there a discount on this TV? Is there a discount on this computer? Or is there a discount on this dress? Next, we have what colors do you have? When you see an item that you like, but you're not sure about the color, you can ask the salesperson, what colors do you have? For example, what colors do you have? What colors are the pants available in? What colors do you have this shirt in? What colors do you have this bag in? Or what colors are the shoes available in? No. 9. Do you have this in size medium? When you want to make sure that the store has your size, you can use this question. Do you have this in size medium? Do you have this in size large? Or do you have this in size small? You can also use any other sizes that are common in your country. Do you have this in size 10? Do you have this in size 12? Or do you have this in size 8? And finally, number 10. Can I try this on? After choosing an item, most of us want to try it on before buying it. And for this, we can use the question, can I try this on? For example, can I try this dress on? Can I try these shoes on? Can I try this bag on? Or can I try this belt on? So now, 10 very useful phrases for shopping. And if you want to keep learning English step by step and go from the basic level to the advanced level, and if you want to become fluent in English faster and learn English step by step, we have some wonderfully designed online English courses. The link for these courses is available below. Go and check it out. And don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss the next videos. And I wish you happy shopping. Thank you.